kuoneka kiritura riu nikagita kinyamenerete rutererwegani na thirikari akiuga batibatere kurita miario kana kwariria akari bakuga gutibatere kuthura gukimomora ni kwithirwa bou bukethirwa buri ugwati bobo nene kiri akari ba Nairobi. Ni ripoti ya Jeff Wagituma.
There are people who have built in the wrong place. Muliona juzi nikimark X kwa ukuta ya State House. Na sio mchezo. Ile ukuta ya State House ambayo iko kwa Kiricho kubwa, less than 10 meters, tunaitoa. Because we cannot keep losing lives and then expect magic will happen next year. I have decided to bite the bullet and do the right thing. Na mimi nashukuru wafanyikazi wa Gikomba, wafanyabiashara wa Gikomba. I have seen my friend Ben wa Kamkunji, chairman. So unajua what we do. Huyu chairman Ben ni rafiki wangu, ni wale wako na maduka. Lakini pia chairman wa Hawkers ni rafiki wangu. Na Hawker anafunga duka yake. There must be a balance. I'm happy with the leadership of Gikomba na waambie tumwashukuru because wameona ya kwamba it is true they need to move a bit. Wamesonga, tunawajengea. Wanasiasa walikuja, thank you Ben. Wanasiasa wakakuja wakaambia msitoke. Wakaambia wanasiasa nyinyi hamjui shida yetu. In less than 5 months we'll have finished a brand new market ambayo iko na taa, iko na maji, iko na stima. That will be a place of dignity for them to operate on. Sasa yule ambaye aliwaambia wasisonge, what will they tell them when they are now in a better environment to do their business? Tunataka tu tufanye biashara yetu na tufanye kwa imani. So please, I want to assure you as I conclude, the people of Nairobi, we are doing what we must do for the benefit of our people. Tumekuwa na mechanics Grogon. Waititu watawaambia shida ya Grogon for a long time na hiyo mto. We have been telling them we need to move. We lost more than 6 people ndani ya gari. Mtu ako ndani ya gari yake anasombwa na maji. I am happy they have also agreed on the plan that we have. Wananchi hawana shida. Shida ni wanasiasa ambao wanaleta sumu, propaganda na kupotosha watu. So we must do what we must do. Here in Runda, I know their concerns and I want to assure you, this community will stay as it is. Your issues of single unit dwelling, hakuna apartment itajengwa Runda. It will remain as it is, a single unit dwelling because of development control. I know there's an issue in a floodplain here. Somebody wants to construct an estate that has been where water goes to. We are dealing with that with your MCA around here.
Arimi bakawa ibona ni tegekeno kiao nyuma yo goribwa kawa gwitia makiuga kilo imwe barendagia na shilingi 90 na magana mugwanje na thirikari irombete kwithirwa ikibera kagitene kau kangi barendagia na kilo imwe na shilingi 90 kagita bogete nande ikabatetheria bonene ni kwithirwa gorini bwitete na shilingi 10,000 check na kenda na magana mugwanje. Ripoti ya Mukiri wa Ngunja.
Na mauri ya kawa niyonekete witi muno ikiringanithwo na miaka mithiru araile na endi monkatha ini kombete kwithira kairari mba factory ya Nchenge bawite kawa kani kombete kwithira kaitithia mauri
ndi murimi ontura indi mite kawa akwa next to this factory ndi na kawa kaingi mairiera mbere buru kawa gambwe ikasokete nkuruki ora kakari mbere nontu kuma thai mauri ya kwambirie ku improve ngona ginya youngsters kana ndo baba ethi bambite kuvenza ke uri bobwa wakawa production to let last 2 years ya rende muno lakini thai niombete witia na about 60 to 70% kuringana na ora ka atura mbere
renderwe na kare wa muremi na shilingi 90 per kilo. Kwa batue factory ye na orimi bora bori ko patrikare tueneo factory ni tetana mbere muno na inkwetikia uma factory ye kuringana na Mauritania ratu na yo ya thirikari neye kawageto kageta na mbere na tukendelea kurima kinyan kuruki
deitian kiluki endriu manga thai mbeci ndrethirite nyambangi na ntiririte ndethire mbeci nyingi kiluki ira mbirira ndethira itare ringire onte
Andri mboso waka factory ngo benefit ya kilo 28 nkedi mande muri nyari anda anjiri ri ko wantini yele dato yanene bau ntaura sinange tawija ndayo kasio si yele dato inya ngata ngaisine ka dayo kiwa pa kiwa yuko benefit kilo ithatu inya
na ikeba kwa munkatha indi ni barumirite urimi bu na biashara ni kubwa na ni kuguna kinya antu babethe na riu becokere kinya thirikari nene katho
thirikari yetu na factory yetu kulingana na production kawa egete kiongeleka nibo tukethera twina ana banyi bakuruki factory na yetu tukandika ana baba inge mina tukathithia mingi mantu ya yonde ya kwenda kawa tukendelea muno kulingana na mauri ura yakethera jari na ito ina wetekio no kwere tware akinya shilingi 20 30 40 riu kulingana na tukinyite shilingi 90 per kilo next time itweririte kinya nkurukia 90 na no bo tukaethera twina leba gweni rekendekana nonto bwa factory yetu
kwine tumi kya ko appreciate government ye na management yeyo nonto bo tutumba kinyere mo field officers baki otwone liora tukutangwe nkurukia ya price ni uko mare bui no monka muntu wende ende wetata kuritangwe nkurukia nkuona factory embere ni andika antu nkurukia ya 50 lastly kawa ke kwaruka antu bonde betre guntu kutekwelewa lakini mwanga thai bashokete no employment ira ecreate kuma kawa ke kwambirio choka nkuona thai tu antu batanda tu ake factory ye na kwena hope kulingana production ureta ikiongeleka kwena hope kuongela bangi yo season ni kutukuona kawa ikakuinga ingia na unonjire moto kuona briga yo create employment
na kilo 20 kuona biako bila nangeta ngale nyafi ya uskuru na ndese yuande si andairasi ya iti tabana na manto ya guasi yete leira wena makanya korea kaweta benyangia
Keripotera Mero TV kumanchenge Gembe South mbita mukidi onkonja
Nthiguru ya Kenya nionanitie wega bwayo kiri kugwatanira na nthiguru ya Japan kiuga niretete bonene kana nitetheretie bonene kiri sekta imwe cia kuongera miradi ya weti na mbere acha nthiguru ya Kenya boy kuringana na Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi urugite nthiguru ya Kenya akiaria akiroruga na thirikari ya Japanese ugite nthiguru ya Kenya igetana mbere na kugunika na miradi ya weti na mbere na kinya gukiri ekonomi ya nthiguru ya Kenya irio kinya kurugoria twanya twagwitithia into wendia bointo nthiguru ya Japan na kinya nthiguru ya Kenya. Ripoti ya Mwende Olaiboni.
Kenya and Japan enjoy warm and cordial relations founded on genuine mutual respect and long-standing friendship spanning more than 6 decades. We have maintained regular high-level exchanges on bilateral and multilateral matters of mutual interest. Your official visit to Kenya reaffirms our shared commitment to further strengthening these ties through sustained engagement and cooperation. Your visit comes at a particularly significant time as the world continues to navigate an increasingly complex political and economic environment. It therefore provides an important opportunity for our two countries to deepen strategic dialogue, reinforce and diversify our areas of partnership. May I express our sincere gratitude that Kenya is the leading recipient of Japanese official development assistance. Indeed, Japan is also the second largest bilateral development partner to Kenya. Kenya-Japan economic and technical cooperation spans critical sectors of our economy, including agriculture, energy, health, ICT, transport infrastructure, education, and capacity building, as well as tourism, sports, and culture. Japan's invaluable support to programs and projects across these sectors has significantly complemented the government's efforts towards the realization of our national development priorities. We particularly commend Japan's partnership in critical infrastructure and human capital development, which continues to drive Kenya's economic growth and enhance our regional competitiveness.
Nabo antu arume ni boretwe kuchumiria kurio kenda kuthimwa kwa kagita na kagita kenda kethirwa mtu ari na thina ya mwiri akamenyekana kurio na akarigitwa. Riu endi antu arume bangi bakioneka kuithirwa abateweta kuthimwa magita kwa magita miario yumanite na madakitari baria bathimaga mwingi murimo kana free medical camp sukuru ya Nkamathi Mutuate mubango jura chugwati mbaru ni murethi nto kobiti uria ni murwiri giti kio seneta aja kaunti ya Meru. Mukiri wa Nkonja Henry na riboti.
Tunkurukia 300 na mandaktari jetu ijagwiritwe na ibombite kumba gutethia antu babaingi mwankainya bongo bauga kuja Mutuate gwetu igukari na gitumi muno na antu bakumba gutetheka na tukendelea nkuruki kulita ngugi ici.
Na the conditions mostly yetu kuona aja diabetes na hypertension mostly.
No antu babe tu baegembe north kuareba kuona utethio na mbere timu ile awa Santi kinya turi abare yao
ni free medical camp kana utungata bo mwiri butimari burabombete kwethia bokithithika skuru ya Nkamathi Primary School. Bureti ni murethi wa Kilinto Kobito aitakara bakiwa antu baingi ni bombete kwethia bakiumira na kuthimwa na baingi bo bomba kwethia bakionekana na mirimo mwanya mwanya na riu bakiwa muno antu akuru batumba kwethia baita cibitari kana kuthimirwo kaita na riu bakuria antu akuru bakethira bekira misi na muntu ambe kwethia akiumira na kuthimwa bakeana na rira muno murimo yo kansa yombeza kwethira yuta mantamente Sembe na Meru County na riu endi ni bakuru bakathimirwo kurio kaita kana mutonekana na murimo akomba kwethira akirigitwa.
Antu bakuru beja bageta hospitali rira bajitu aki beja check-ups oftenly
ma arume bateta hospitali at most of the time arume beta hospitali rira bombero imurimo kabisa and it is a call for men, both young and older generation of men, bambe kukinya hospitali bambe go present na symptoms kana rira kuna screenings baga show up
roba teke ikabakira weta hospitali ende ndaenda kasia muthia batweka bombe ruria baeta ndaitari
na muthia kirimanto ya mbesa ira ciumba kwethira cicengwa akaunti ya Meru ciamanto ya koni ugima bwa mwiri.
Wakili Mustafa uria kuromba gitiga seneta na aja no tu invited kenda tumba gutethia antu ba Mutuate komba kuona ndawa na kinya janaru tukumba kuona no mbuge tukumba kuona cases several tomba kuthithira rifaro cha kumba kenda antu betu bomba kuona utethio ba Mutuate
bukana the health care Meru County ni nene mru site nye county inge sionde itukomenya case ya cancer Meru County iso siero bru Kenya na onto cases ya cancer siero bru Kenya sorry Meru ako tu karimu nya budget ile utengwa ke matibabu Meru County ni mno wareto kwaria Meru County tengete mbesa cia 1.6 billion mwaka 2025-2026 ke matibabu kana healthcare ke antu babari ya Meru antu milioni ile ukayania mbesa itengi kutoka Meru atengeri ngirima yani dringi manana na mwaka ndo kori atire Meru wake awasu murimo siti dringi manana na mwaka ina kono tethi na athethuka.
Nikiripotera Meru TV kuma Nkamathi Mutuate Gembe North mbeta Mukiri Onkonja.
Muthia John Teto Chieto mureithiri wa Meru TV ngakuromboke bia mitambo wite na mbere na kurumira station ya Meru TV kuri na mibango ingi kathumba tukuthuranirite ni ukambita kathure wa Mburugu.